everyone, I'm Manasvi, counselor at Ignivo International Education Consultant. Today we are talking about a study abroad destination that's not just about, towering skyscrapers and luxury, but also about world-class education and opportunities. That is Dubai. Might be thinking, Dubai for studies? The answer is yes. It's becoming a top choice for Indian students, offering a unique blend of global education, career prospects, and an exciting lifestyle. So let's dive into why Dubai should be on your study abroad radar. First thing, let's talk about academics. Dubai isn't just building futuristic cities, it's building future in education too. You'll find world-renowned universities from UK, Australia, US or Europe right here in Dubai. This means you can earn a globally recognized degree from a top institution with the same curriculum and quality standards as their main campuses, but with the convenience of being much closer to India. The teaching methodology is very practical and industry focused, preparing you for the real world challenges. So if you're looking for a degree that is recognized worldwide, then Dubai definitely delivers it. Now, moving forward with the application part, getting into a Dubai university is a streamlined process. You typically need your academic transcripts, your statement of purpose, your letter of recommendation, and English language proficiency test scorecard, whether of IELTS, TOEFL, PTE. Also, some universities might accept the previous English medium education too. Now, let's talk about the money aspect. While Dubai isn't cheap in every sense, but it can often be more affordable than other traditional study destinations like USA or UK. Tuition fee can vary significantly, ranging from 35,000 dirhams to 1 lakh dirhams, depending on the university and program definitely. Also, for living expenses, including your accommodation, food and transport, you need a budget of 3,000 dirhams to 5,000 dirhams per month. Many universities also offer scholarships that reduce your overall cost. Dubai isn't just a city, it's an international hub. It's a melting pot of over 200 nationalities, making it an incredibly diverse and multicultural environment. This means you will be interacting with people from all over the world and broadening your perspective like never before. But it's not just about diversity, it's about opportunities too. Dubai's economy is booming currently, particularly in sectors like tourism, logistics, finance, technology and trade, right? So many university programs here have the tie-ups with local and international industries, leading to a fantastic internship opportunities and potentially the post-study career prospects also. Once you have your university acceptance, the visa process for Dubai is quite straightforward then, right? Typically, your university acts as your sponsor, which simplifies things immensely. You'll need to submit documents like your offer letter, academic transcripts, passports, and show proof of funds. The processing time are usually quick, making it a relatively stress-free part of your study abroad journey, right? A team can assist you in preparing all your necessary documents for your smoother visa application process. Now, coming to safety. For any parent or for you as a student, safety is a paramount. Dubai has exceptionally high safety record, making it one of the safest cities globally. You'll find a very secure and welcoming environment in Dubai. Beyond safety, the quality of life is fantastic. The city offers ultra-modern infrastructure, from world-class transportation system like Dubai Metro to stunning residential areas and amenities. You'll have access to excellent healthcare, shopping and entertainment. Plus, for Indian students, the travel time from India is relatively short and flights are frequent and affordable, making visits home much easier. So as you can see, Dubai presents a compelling package for Indian students: a world-class recognized degree, vibrant global career hub, safe and modern lifestyle, and manageable application and visa process, all relatively within a very affordable and convenient modern setting, right? Interested to learn more about studying in Dubai? At Ignivo, we specialize in guiding students to the right programs and universities in Dubai, from course selections and applications to visa requirement, budget planning, and the living advices. We are here to help you in every step. So, don't just limit your horizons, explore the exciting opportunities that Dubai has to offer. Reach out to us for a free and personalized consultation. Our contact details are right in the description box. Thank you.